For small businesses trying to organize sales pipelines and follow up with leads more effectively, a solid CRM can be a game changer. Two of the most popular and approachable platforms are HubSpot CRM and Pipedrive. HubSpot CRM is designed for simplicity and integration. It is part of the larger HubSpot ecosystem, which means it connects sales, marketing, and customer service in one place. The interface is clean, visual, and intuitive. From the moment you log in, you can see your contacts, companies, deals, and tasks in a single organized view. For small teams that want to hit the ground running, setup is quick and painless. For small businesses that want a powerful yet beginner-friendly CRM with built-in marketing tools, HubSpot offers an incredible balance of simplicity and scalability. But if your main focus is pure sales execution and pipeline visibility, Pipedrive offers a different kind of strength. One of HubSpot's biggest strengths is automation. Every call, email, or meeting you log automatically attaches to the right contact record. The system tracks communication without manual effort, keeping everything in sync across your team. You can create custom pipelines, send follow-up emails, and even use meeting links or templates to speed up outreach. HubSpot's free tier is also a major advantage. Small businesses can start managing leads and deals with no cost barrier. As the business grows, you can add more advanced features like email sequences, reporting dashboards, and workflow automation through the paid Sales Hub plans. Because everything is integrated, HubSpot naturally aligns your sales activity with marketing campaigns, giving you a clear view of how prospects move through the funnel. Now let's talk about Pipedrive. Pipedrive is built by salespeople for sales teams. The entire platform revolves around the deal pipeline. It is visual, drag and drop, and laser-focused on helping you close more deals. You can easily move prospects from one stage to the next, add notes or follow-up tasks, and forecast revenue based on your pipeline. The design is straightforward and motivating, keeping teams focused on progress instead of process. Where Pipedrive shines is in its sales-centric features. It includes activity reminders, automation for deal updates, and customizable pipelines for different product lines or services. Reports are simple but informative, showing exactly where deals stall or which reps are performing best. For small teams, that clarity makes daily sales management far more efficient. Pipedrive also integrates with email, calendar tools, and a range of third-party apps like Slack, Zoom, and QuickBooks. Automations can handle repetitive work, such as sending follow-up emails or creating tasks when deals reach a new stage. It is highly customizable, allowing you to adapt it to your specific sales process without needing deep technical skills. If you want to align your entire customer journey in one place, HubSpot CRM is the smarter choice. But if you want a dedicated sales tool that delivers clarity, speed, and motivation every day, Pipedrive is the winner. Both are excellent for small business sales. The right pick depends on whether you value integration or pure pipeline power.